Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Ali got a haircut. Are you going to tell them what we're doing today?
Yes, we're doing makeups. So let's just jump into the video.
So Ollie's going to be doing my makeup today. He's been wanting to do this video for ages.
And she has three dampers.
I do. I have 3 stampers. So yeah, he's I don't know if he's gonna do my full face or just gonna do what he wants.
And I'm not gonna do my face.
No, why can't you do your face?
Because I'm going to karate.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
So I'm just giving him full reign of whatever he wants. Full reign? Full whatever. Of whatever he wants. And I'm letting him use any products that he wants, and I'm letting him do whatever he wants to my
And
face.
she has new stuff.
I do have new stuff. So let's get started.
Yeah, let's just jump into the video.
You go, that should be enough for my face.
No, I didn't.
That's right. Beautiful. Oh gosh, what next?
Nail star jumps.
Now star jumps.
Yeah.
Alright. Star jump break. Go. Good job.
Is it good?
Beautiful. You're still going to have to take it off for karate though.
Yeah.
What are you doing next on me, Bubba? Good job.
Now where did this go?
All over my face. I think that's pretty good for my face. Now we can move on to eyes or lips.
Oh my. Again.
You haven't done my eyes. You've done your eyes.
Where?
Gorgeous. Now my eyes.
Yes, your lips.
My lips next.
Because you already did your.
You did my eyebrows, but not my eyes. So remember, I have all the colours in here. I have some colours in here. I have some colours in here. I have all my colourful colours in here.
There.
Good job. Anything else that you want to do?
What else was there?
You can do as much as you like on my eyeballs. If there's other colours that you want to do as well. How did I know you were going to choose that one?
Because did not stick your tongue out.
Alright.
It looks a little bit like a mustache.
Beautiful. Alright, anything else that you want to do?
And then with that was all.
Okay. Any more highlighter or mascara?
You need to close your eyes. There.
Good job. Perfect. So are you finished?
Yes.
I look amazing. Thank you so much.
Okay, now I need to go put this in my room.
Right, hang on. Okay, so here is the final finished look that Ollie's done. I think he did a good job. He did need a little bit of help with some things because he got kind of overwhelmed by how much makeup I have.
Yes.
And also he's planning on stealing that. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a
thumbs up.
Comment down below what your favourite part is. Subscribe if you haven't already.
And get that thing.
And tap the bell notification thingy to be notified every time I post. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.